Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to let you know how you can add Manta token to MetaMask Wallet. So there's no such direct way of adding the token. So you have to first of all go to the website and open up the link that is Etherscan. When you are on this page, you need to go ahead and log in into your account. And what next you need to do is press on the try bar icon, and right on this page, you need to go ahead and locate the Manta coins using the search bar tools. After that, you'll be able to find the address, so click the copy button and exit out of this website and go ahead and log in into your MetaMask wallet account. Right on this page, first of all, you need to go ahead and select the network type. So go with the Arbitrum one. Next, you need to go ahead and select the network. And on this page, you need to go ahead and click on Customize Network. And next, you need to go ahead and paste in the address that you've recently copied. And with that, you should have successfully added Manta token to your MetaMask wallet account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you.